Good morning, everyone. It is 6:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Greetings from the United States. This is Forex Capital Management's breakdown of the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. Right now, we are looking at a 15-minute chart of the Australian dollar against the United States dollar, and we are currently in a downtrend. The market has been trending down since yesterday, and it had a swing high of 0.75451. The market has not been up there ever since, and that is why I indicate that the market is going in a downtrend. Another one of my prime indicators that will help me identify the trend is the moving average, specifically the 200 moving average. As you can see, when price is below the 200 moving average, it's in a downtrend. When price is above the 200 moving average, it's in an uptrend. This movement. So let's get to the main points. Right now you can see that price had initially hit a major support zone yesterday, and after that it hasn't really had much movement until earlier today when it broke through that major support zone and continued downwards. The market made a swing low and retested that major support zone, and that is where we're currently at. Now back to what I said about the 200 moving average. If your price is trending below it, then you're looking for shorts. Price is trending above it, you're looking for longs. And that's the end of the story for that. So currently price is trending below it, and I'm still looking for shorts. My bias is still bearish, and I'm not looking for longs until I'm convinced. Just because it breached this doesn't mean it's going to go up necessarily. What I usually look for after a breakout is a breakout or retest and either a continuation upwards or a breakout or retest and then a failure of that support and a continuation downwards. Now, this video is strictly for the short side only, although I could make an analysis for bulls as well. For time's sake, I'll only do one for bears. So I have a sell stop at, as you can see, 0.74574, and that it will be validated after my theory, in which I said that if price retest, breaks, and fails, then that's when my entry will be triggered. My second entry will be triggered after my first target, which is at the swing low, which is also a major area of support. Now, the major area of support will be breached if there's enough selling pressure, and my next sell stop will be triggered. I'll take that sell stop down for about 35 pips, 38 pips, and that'll be the end of my trade. I won't really necessarily know exactly what's going to happen after that because the market has not been to that point yet, and so to avoid mixed up confusion, I'm just sticking with my own analysis, what I can see on the chart right now, and I'm trading what I can see. I'm not trading what I think is going to happen. I'm trading what I can see. Now, if you have any questions, please contact me on WhatsApp at +1860-759-3387, or you can email me at forexcapitalmanagement@gmail.com, and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Now, to wrap it up, many of you guys may be wondering, where am I putting my stop losses? My first stop loss is going to be above the major support zone. Pick a spot. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you as a trader to really modify your stop loss. It's more or less of a mindset thing as to where you want to put your stop loss, and that's the reason why I don't really like telling my traders my exact stop loss. I usually say find a stop loss, find an entry, find a target around my zone, and trade your own plan. Because no matter how good of a trade setup this may be, or I may have, I may be a winner and you may be a loser, mainly because my money management and my risk management, along with following my plan, is different from yours. So you may see the same thing, you may try to trade the same thing, but you may end up a loser and I may end up a winner, mainly because I have these sound principles. I can teach you this in my course, which is $4.99. It's a one-time fee, and in the course you'll get all of my systems, including the Patriot system. You'll get all of the resources that helped me become the trader I am today, and you'll receive a lot more beneficial tools to guide you along your journey in this Forex market. Forex market is big, and I know a lot of you may not be able to afford a $1,500 mentor, or these crazy fees that a lot of services are offering, and that's why I have my fee so low, is because I know how it feels to be in your position, and I'm just trying to help the community grow. I'm trying to give back because I see the power of Forex trading, and I want as many people in the world to trade and be successful traders as possible. So let's grow together, let's develop as a community, and let's continue to catch pips. You guys have a great day and a prosperous one.